Okay, they're all hooked up. You can see the main line right here. Black, red, black, red, and the other side connects the opposite ones. These are just sitting here. And it does have a date on it. It's a 9/22, and it is the month that I just put them in. The other ones were 10 years old, which I was told was good. So I guess I did not abuse them beyond the norm. One guy I was talking to today said I could, once I get electricity to the garage, I could hook up a little device that gives them a real small trickle charge throughout the winter. So I think I'll do that after I get everything, my wiring in place. But for now, throughout the winter, 1 or 2 times when it gets nice out, I'll charge them up. Okay, let's put the cover back on. Well, first we're going to check the oil. I would imagine it's okay. And then we will put the cover back on and try the lift. So the oil, this one was broke, so this, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be at this level. So I have a stick here I can test the level with. So I'll do that now. You're supposed to do it in the stowed position. That's when the legs are up. So now's the time to do it. And then I can test it. Really like the Nifty lift.